Welcome back, students. In this part, I will tell you about Dalton's atomic theory. He was the first scientist to speak something about atom, what an atom is. He said that it is the most basic unit of matter. Plus, he also proposed some of its hypotheses, which I will discuss in this slides. So let's begin.
So now we'll see the first atomic theory given by any scientist, Dalton's atomic theory. So he gave some postulates, and the important postulates of atomic theory are like this. First of all, he said that any matter is made up of what? It is made up of very small, indivisible particles, which he termed as atoms. This word was coined by him. Then he said that atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Only it can be, transformed. Atoms can combine to give some products or some new kind of thing. So this means the chemical reaction is just a simple arrangement of atoms. Then he said that atom is the smallest particles of an element which take part in chemical reaction, which we now know that it is not like that. Okay. Then atoms of the same element, they are identical in all aspects of size, shape and mass. This was a statement, but guys, we now know that it is not the correct. For example, if I have isotopes, okay, if I have isotopes of say hydrogen, then all are of hydrogen only, but they are still not the same. They have different mass number, right? So that's why this is also a flaw. And the last one, that atoms of different elements have different mass, shape and size, and they combine in some fixed ratio only to form a new product, okay, whether it may be a molecule or whether it may be a compound.
So students, in this part, we have seen that John Dalton proposed many hypotheses about atom, that it is the basic unit of matter which takes part in chemical reactions. It can neither be created nor be destroyed, and other parts. But there are even some drawbacks which I will tell you further. But before that, I will discuss you the constituent particle of atom, because as John Dalton said that it is indivisible, but that is not, which we'll see in our next part. In the next part, I will tell you the discoveries of electron, proton and neutron. So stay tuned with me for that.